I want make them remember me say I changed the face of education for Edo State. Now Governor Godwin I talk this one, and this one are the ogbonge updates wey dey waka come meet una on top inside Edo today. Obaseki don knack hand for chest talk am say him want make people remember am because say him change the face of education sector for Edo State, and he say him administration go continue to dey develop education and make teachers life be better one so that dem go fit dey deliver well. Governor talk this one for thank you mega rally wey Edo State chapter of Nigerian Union of Teachers do for Benin City to take honor Governor Godwin Obaseki as na him na NUT pick as best performing governor for Nigeria based on all the ogbonge deve wey him don carry put for education sector for Edo State. Obaseki talk say wetin him do for education sector for Edo follow for the promise wey APC make give Nigerians. He talk say everybody for Nigeria know Edo State for education and hard work because say Edo schools don produce most of the people wey don pass 50 years of age today. And that one mean say na Edo people na don inherit ogbonge education to make Edo better reach as e first be before, and that's na make wey be say Edo children need to get better education just as e be before.
You build a house, any solid house you are going to build, where do you start from? The foundation. That is why I've always said that if I have 100 naira to spend on education, 60 kobo will be spent on basic education. You have all surprised me, particularly EdoBEST teachers. When we were debating whether to introduce those tablets and computers, they say, no, these teachers they will not accept it. But when I came here after the first training, the training for the first batch, the way you embrace technology, nothing has gladdened my heart as much as the experience that day. We will strengthen our basic education. We will continue to invest in technical and vocational education. This thank you that you have come to offer to me is a challenge. It's a challenge because, as we say, when someone expresses gratitude, tells you thank you, he is expecting that you should do more. And I'm promising you today that by the grace of God giving me another term, I will do much more.
Chairman for Edo State chapter of NUT, Comrade Pius Okwuelegbe, talk say them organize the rally to celebrate Governor Godwin Obaseki administration and all the better work wey the administration don do for education sector. The chairman talk say some of the achievements na innovation of schools, training and retraining of teachers, and better welfare package wey the administration don arrange for Edo teachers.
The section of his administration, he has done creditably well. This is why we are here today to say thank you to the governor for the good job he has been doing in the industry of education. Your Excellency, Obevalu. Your Excellency, sir, I must confess that your achievements speak volume for your administration. See, you have just spent 3 years in the office. Your achievement has surpassed those people who have put in 8 years in this estate. We cannot thank you enough. If you go to our schools, you are fixing the infrastructures in our schools. Since you came on board, My teachers have been, there is a training and a training of my staff. In addition to that, let us come to the welfare of my teachers. You have done credibly well. The achievement of our governor that necessitated the National Union of Teachers in the entire country to say they want to award him, they want to give him an award as the best performing governor in education in the country.
Now here we see this update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk say him want make people remember am because say him change the face of education sector for Edo State. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey dey waka come meet una so na T Live Media na im carry am come give una. And to dey get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Like and follow us for Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to www.tlivemedia to get more ogbonge informate.